it means when we increase our one point x to small x, means, for example, there is a curve and you are finding the derivative from this point. For example, this is x comma y, and you have got some derivative. For example, the derivative is gradient is, for example, 2. For example, the gradient is 2. Okay, but if I go to the small distance ahead, so then what will happen? X will be a little bit increased. Okay, at that time we can say a small change. This is called small change in x, and y will also be very much small. So I increase y plus small change in y. Sigma y, this is also called sigma y, and it means we want to find small changes. Because first it was x, for example, it was x was like 2. Now the x has become over here 2.02. So this x is very change varies. The value of x is change, very value of x is change, but very small. Okay, the value of y is change very small. So what will be the gradient over here? So I can say the gradient is approximately equal to this. Not equal, but little bit increased. This concept is in which will be involved here. So I would write over here dy by dx is equal to, we will apply this formula now. Dy by dx. Now I will use the sign approximately. Look at this, approximate. This is approximately equal to sigma. Now let me find a sign over here. Small change. Maybe the sign of small change will be here. So I can use, otherwise I will use with marker. Yes, I found it. Look at this. This is dy x. Student, this formula will be used now, because derivative is not equal but small change, approximate equal to. Okay, like derivative was 2. For example, derivative was 2, now derivative is 2.001. So we will apply this formula. Okay, now a change in y. Now look at this important points. Look, note these important points. It means y mean change in y, and this means change in x. Note in your note down. Please note this. So remember we will write the change in derivative. Okay, change in derivative. Basically, we are finding the change in derivative, small changes in derivative. Now I'm giving you one question: variables x and y. Now I will hope you understand. Now I will continue. Variable x and y. This question: variables x and y are connected by the equation y is equal to x cube plus x square. X cube, we write x cube plus x square. Okay, y is equal to x cube plus x square. So now the question is, What is the question? Find the approximate increase. Find the approximate increase in, I write the formula. Note this question. Okay, now look at this. They are saying variables x and y are connected by the equations. Okay, they are connecting by the equation, this one. Now find the approximate increase in y. So dear student, we have to find what we have to find. Can anybody tell me what we have to find out? Approximate change in y. We have to find approximate change in y. Okay, but as x increases from 2 to 2.05, so what is the change of x given to us? What is the change of x given to us? Can you tell me?
0.05.
0.05 x. What is the change in x? Change in x is equal to what is, if you subtract 2.05 minus 2, so you will get 0.05. So now this is given to us, and now we have to apply the formula to solve the problem. So what is the problem? We have to find this one. But we don't know the derivative. So first of all, we know the derivative. Important thing, derivative from 2. So first of all, we find dy by dx. Okay, what is the derivative of the x cube plus x square? 3x square plus 2x. But this derivative 8 2. Okay, but we have to find derivative 8 when when y increases. When x increases from 2 to 2.05, so we have to find change in y. I'm asking when x increases, so what change comes in y? Okay, so over here, what is the value of x that is given to us from the beginning? That is 2. So we will put the original value over here, 2. So we are, because why I'm using 2, not 2.05. The reason is I am finding dy by dx. I'm not finding the approximate change over here. I'm finding original derivative. So 2 power 2 plus 2. Okay, over here 3. Now I substitute the value of x. I substitute the value of x, that is 2, and 3x square plus 2x. So x is already 2. So what is the change now? Both is the 12. 12 plus 4. What is that? 12 plus 4. 16. Student getting 16? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the next step. Now we will use formula. Now we will use our formula. Now I'm using this formula, and I will input the values and I will find out. Now in this formula I will apply input values. Now tell me what is dy. dy
16.
Hello students, the Wi-Fi is not working, so I am here. Okay, can you listen me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I will show you whiteboard from this my mobile. I am on data now. The Wi-Fi is not working. Okay. Okay, students. Okay, student, can you share? Can you see the screen? Hello, students. Hello.
Yes, sir. We can see this.
Okay. Uh, now the same thing I will apply here. As I told you, change in y upon change in x is equal to dy by dx. What is our dy by dx? 16. Okay, and I have to find out change in y. And what is the change of x I have given? 0.05. Now, student, you have to find change in. Yes.
स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रही सर, स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रही।
अच्छा, स्क्रीन शेयर मैंने अभी कर तो दी। स्क्रीन ही तो शेयर की हुई है। हमजा जफर, कैन यू सी द स्क्रीन?
Yes, sir. लेकिन लोड होने में थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है।
हाँ बेटा, आप दोबारा से, मैंने स्क्रीन शेयर की हुई है। ओके। अच्छा, अब वो डिवाइडेड बाय 0.05 था। नाउ 16 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0.05। नाउ स्टूडेंट, 16 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0.05, हाउ मच? So what is our final answer? 16 multiplied by 0.05. What is the change in y now? What is the change in y?
0.8.
Multiply this 0.8. This is our final answer. Okay, student, is there any problem so far? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay, inshallah, I will give you assignment related to the question topic that we did today. So inshallah, we will continue our lesson in the next class. You have to submit the assignment on Teams. Inshallah, I will post assignment in PDF. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
sir.
take care. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz.